The Global Terrorism Database is available on the START website, where users can browse, search, analyze, and download the data. To find the GTD portal, mouse over the Data and Tools drop-down menu and select Global Terrorism Database. The GTD website is a resource for users of the database with important documentation on the history of the data collection, the data collection methodology, a guide for new users, and answers to frequently asked questions like why are the data from 1993 missing. It also includes the GTD terms of use and a form to contact the GTD team with questions or feedback. In the bottom left, you can see some of our ongoing visualization projects, like the GTD Web GL Globe, which maps all of the attacks that took place in 2012. Users can download the GTD codebook here. This provides information about the data collection process and definitions of all of the variables in the database. The quickest way to access the data itself is by clicking on the search button without any search terms. This returns all cases in the database. And you can use the visualization tools to graph general trends over time. Or you can create a pie chart of attack types. Or you can create a bar chart showing the number of attacks with different numbers of casualties. To search for something in particular, use the keyword search box. For example, if I'm interested in details of the 2004 Super Ferry attack in Manila Bay, I can search for Super Ferry. Two search results come up, and I can see that the second one is the one I'm looking for. For more information, I click on the GTD ID number. The incident page shows the event summary if one is available, as well as details on the location, tactics, targets, damages, casualties, weapons, and the perpetrator group attributed responsibility. The Sources tab shows references to the media sources used to collect the information. To learn more about the perpetrators responsible for the attack, the Abu Sayyaf group, I can click on its name. This lists all the attacks in the database attributed to Abu Sayyaf. From here, I can look at specific attacks or things like patterns of attacks patterns of targets attacked by Abu Sayyaf. If there are too many categories, making it difficult to interpret, it may help to click on the legend to toggle an entry on or off. The online interface allows users to browse the data by the date of the attack, the region of the world, country, perpetrator group, weapon type, attack type, and target type. To see all of the attacks that took place in India, for instance, browse by country. An advanced search allows users to browse by multiple dimensions at once. For example, if you're interested in patterns of suicide attacks since 2000, specify the year, and then click on Attack Type to specify suicide attacks only. If you want to look at suicide attacks by Al-Qaeda in Iraq, for example, you can go back to the advanced search interface, click on the Perpetrator tab, and select the group from the list. You can also select multiple countries or multiple perpetrator groups and compare them. This shows all suicide attacks between 2000 and 2012 carried out by Al-Qaeda in Iraq. There's a lot of data to explore on the GTD website. However, users may want to do more customized analysis that goes beyond the functionality of the online interface. To download the full GTD dataset, go to Using the GTD and select Download the GTD. At the Action menu, select Download Full GTD Dataset. Fill out the brief form and agree to the GTD terms of use. This will take you to the download page, which includes all data files and documentation. We hope this tutorial helps you explore the data available on START's Global Terrorism Database.